Here we are at Brigg level crossing in North Lincolnshire with Delta Australia. There we go, now the time now is exactly 12 o'clock on Saturday the 6th of November 2021. And this is your very heavily delayed 10:38, 11:25, 4 Romeo 79, GBRF, Great British Rail Freight Service from Doncaster down decoy to Immingham HIT. And in the past year this crossing's had a massive upgrade. I last came here in January last year and it was gated. It's still controlled from the signal box, but it's MCB now. And this is similar to Reefham in that there are lots of different approaches to it. Got 2 lights on that side, 1 on that side, 2 here and 1 here. I'm not sure why they fitted E2S alarms here though, because they're usually for AHBs. Although one of the great things about MCBs is that you know when they're going to go down because you can see at the window they go and press a button on a panel. I could see the signaller moving around in there as well, but you actually would have thought I'd have got a passenger here. I actually waited for ages at Kettleby earlier, but for some reason the passenger just turned out to be really late. So eventually I gave up and went to Elsham instead. Then I went to New Barnetby and then I came here. I was about to give up here because the passenger train was 98 minutes late earlier, which is why I didn't see it at Kettleby. And now and it only arrived at Cleethorpes a few minutes ago, so I don't have a clue when that's going to leave. But I'm not going to hang around for it because I've still got Howsham, North Kelsey and Smithfield Road to do. And I've got to get back at the station at Barnetby for like 10 to 3, so I won't be able to get all 3 of the others. 66 787. $7.87 to Immingham.